got... Okay, guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get... Where is he? Cough drop marker. So here we go, guys. So you're going to go right there. Oops. You're going to go right here where the mount is at. You're going to go where the hole is at. Oopsie. Bruh, I'm jumping. Dude! I'm jumping, stupid. Ah, you dumb. Dang. Alright. You're gonna put hill, rock.
You're on the right track, but you're really wrong. What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you should look at the hill and see if you could find a marker. I'd say step on the rocks. Yeah, try that.
Alright, do it again.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get a marker? Well, tough luck. You won't find one here. Look somewhere else.
Do it again. One more time.
Gosh, you're persistent. Fine. Take the marker. SMH.
That's all. Okay. That was difficulty insane. And how do I know? It's because when you see a word in the wall, not the one that was like, that has the equal and it has like not 9 equal 1. It's not that. It's only the one. If you want to find the evil marker, put invert. Then you're gonna see a hole, and then there he is, the evil marker. And if you want to find difficult, if you want to find the thing, that, and then you're gonna press enter. I'm not teleporting there, but you teleport if you're own. I'm gonna put it wrong. Just put TY at the end. Okay. So, what else was in the wall? Oh, guys, if you want to find time marker, you're gonna wait for 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes for a time marker until this circle spawns in here. Oops, guys. I was walking like that. Alright, so we're gonna wait for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Oh, why did I just collect that coin? If you collect that key, you just find box marker. He's right here. It's a box. He's an ugly looking box. Evil developer clones. Oh, so if you tap, then oh my gosh, get out. You're just gonna still wait. Wait until 5 minutes. Wait still. Wait still. Wait still. Still wait. Still wait. Still wait. Oh God, if you just the pass for 5 minutes, bye. That's all. Bye. That's a marker too. Bye bye.